Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to Waffle Wednesday. Haven't done a Waffle Wednesday for a little while, so I thought we'd do a quick one today. It's only been a short video, just to let you know what's been going on recently. So we sold 3 cars this month. We've sold the white Sport with the air conditioning problem. That has not yet been sorted. I changed the sensor. It'll be coming up in another video, but I changed the sensor, which was on the pipe. Didn't make any difference. So I'd already bought a compressor. Glenn, the mechanic, is gonna, I don't know when they've booked him for, but he's gonna go to them and fit that new compressor. Hopefully then clear the codes, and then I will either go over there and regas it, or they'll go to a quick fit or somewhere and get it regassed, and I'll reimburse them. And obviously the whatever Glenn is going to charge for doing the compressor, fitting the compressor, I'll obviously be paying for that. That was the agreement we'd made when I sold it, because you know, I didn't like selling it like that, but you know, I'd rather the car be done and finished. But they were desperate to get the car. It happened to be hot at the time as well. It's cooled down a bit now, but yeah, not ideal, but it's worked. You know, it's that's where we are. So with that one, so that's the white Sport. Then we sold the maroon car. That was a palaver. The lady bought it and then had to return it an hour later because she couldn't tax it at the post office, and she was freaking out because she couldn't tax it. So I had to refund her. I then sorted out the road tax, managed to get it taxed. And so as the new keeper, sent off the V62, and she's probably still waiting for the logbook, but that's all sorted now. So so that one sold. We sold that one for, what did we sell that one for? 4,400. Can't remember how much we made on that. I didn't do the figures on that video, unfortunately, so I'm just picking bits off my trousers where I've got bits stuck on them. So that's that one. And then we sold the red Sport. As you know, if you've watched the red Sport video, that may not have come out yet. That one sold, not to the subscriber as I expected it to, but to somebody else. I dropped the price a little bit, but we'll cover that in the end of the Sport video, which you probably haven't yet seen. That will probably be coming up next week. So yeah, sold 3 cars this month, although it has been a bit of a challenge selling them, I have to say. So at the moment we have got the grey car, which was the one that's come back, Project Christian, the 3rd return. That I won't give the game away, because again, you haven't seen that video, but you'll probably be seeing that video very soon. But that's still ongoing. And the Facelift bath, which I don't want to sell until the winter because it's a pop and it hasn't got aircon, that's coming along nicely. Internals are virtually done now, new dashes in and all that sort of stuff. We're going to have to put a brand new exhaust on it, I think, because that exhaust is making some funny noises. So we're going to have to get an entire exhaust, I think, pipe and tail pipe. I think that's the only way we can do it. So yeah, that's still ongoing. The Arbath, as you know, the Arbath was fixed at the body shop. I've been using it for some time, a few months now. Not using it very much. Reason being, I'm scared of someone stealing it, so I don't really take it anywhere that I have to leave it. I don't take it to work because I have to park in the street. But I am going to put a fuel cutout switch in it today. I am doing some filming today for the Arbath because I want to get. I've got a boot full of stuff that I've bought to put on that car, and I've not got round to doing it, so I need to do that. So there'll be a video coming on that very soon as well. That'll probably be a Wednesday video, I expect. But that car is lovely, really nice. There's other things I want to do. I want to get another exhaust on it because the exhaust is rusty. And I would like to get some white wheels as well, but whether I do or not remains to be seen. But yeah, so that's that one. The Arbath. They're the only cars I've got at the moment. So it's basically that grey car plus the fake Arbath. They're the only ones I've got. So the fake Arbath is really the only one I'm working on at the moment. Or will become clear about the other one, as I say, in the coming days. But I'm not going to give too much away in this video. But there may be an upcoming collaboration between myself and Alex at Car Salvage 101. We are currently planning to go somewhere to do something different buying a car, and we got to travel for it as well. I won't give any more away, but hopefully we're going to do that next Friday. So expect to see, so you're going to see this next Wednesday. So the day you're seeing this, 2 days following that, I'm hoping we're going to do this collaboration. So he'll have a video on it, and so will I. From our perspectives, different perspectives, I suppose. But I will be meeting him at a train station, and then we're going this place together. All will be revealed. So yeah. What else is going on? I'm actually going to be bidding on a car today. I will actually film the bidding. So what I'm bidding on today is another maroon car. Now the reason I'm bidding on this car is I'm hoping that it's going to have very, very little interest. Now it's already gone up to about £1,200, I think, and the auction itself starts at 10 o'clock, which is in about half an hour. I'm not sure how many lots into the auction it is, but yeah, it's about half an hour until that actual auction starts. Now the reason I'm thinking it's not going to get much in the way of bids is it's facelift in that plum colour. The only damage I can see on it is to the front bumper. Possibly the corner of the wing is in a little bit, possibly, not sure. There may be something underneath. It is only a Cat N, however, steering wheel, passenger, knee, both seats and both curtain airbags have gone off. Don't ask me why. It's a bit of a mystery, I have to say. And you don't seem to get that many airbag blown cars anymore, and this is airbag blown and then some. The fact that all of basically every airbag in the car is gone. Seatbelt's probably going to have gone as well, I would imagine. So I'm hoping that's going to put people off. Seatbelts and pre-tensioners, I've got all those. So we'll need a new dash, new airbags, windscreen is obviously broken. Now it's an automatic, which makes it very, very valuable, and people will have to form an orderly queue because they will be fighting over it, I'm sure. Now, it's only at Sandwich, so it's not far away. Although I don't have a driver to pick up from Sandwich, so I'll probably have to find someone new because my previous bloke has packed it in. So yeah, so that's coming up today, and I will film it and I will put it in this video, so you will know by the end of this video whether I won it or not. And apart from that, I am trying to get some cheap cars that I can then sell at £2,000. There have been some around, haven't got them. The only reason I haven't got them is because up until last week, well, up until this week, I had too many cars. And they were starting to stack up in the road as well. All, all insured, taxed, MOT'd, but, too many cars in the road, including my own car, my BMW, which I was contemplating selling, but I've decided I'm probably not for the time being because I'm not really using it much, to be fair. It's paid for, it's low mileage, it's a nice car. As much as I'd like to get something else, is there any point? Probably not. So for the time being, I'm hanging on to it. That's the only reason I've not bought one of these cheap cars up to now, because I just physically didn't have anywhere to put it. And then of course I've got that buyback, that £700 buyback on the grey one. So that was another one taking up a bit of space. As I say, we'll go into that on the video on that car. So we'll leave it here for now, and we'll come back when the auction starts on this car and show you the bidding on this car. And with a bit of luck, I might win it. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this collaboration with Alex. It should be good. Should be good fun. And hopefully there'll be some interesting stuff at the end of it as well. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, I promised you I would bid on this maroon car, which I haven't shown you yet. It's currently at 1,750. I think it's item number 105, and we're currently just starting 103. So yeah, it's currently at 1,750. I've run it through Auto Trader, and Auto Trader says, as if you were selling it. Let me shut the door. Auto Trader says it's worth £8,149, 65 plate, facelift, so an early facelift, automatic with only 20-something thousand miles on the clock. So if that's worth £8,000 as not a Cat N, if I can get it for £3,000, I won't have to spend more than about £600 or £700 on it, I don't think. let's say total 4, sell it for 6, made 2 grand. Still 2 grand under what it would be if it was not a cat car, and people are crying out for automatics. So I don't know, we'll see. I'll be back on it as soon as it comes up.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Right, 1-800, let's see, shall we? Oh, I probably ain't even going to get in having a bid. United Kingdom, 1950, 2000, 2100, oh, 2050, sorry, next bid is 21, 22, I think it's going to go out of my price range. I haven't even had a bid yet. It's lovely, look. 24, 2450. Here's the next bid, I should say, 2450. Should we have a go?
New bidder.
That's me. Oh, outbid. Do I want to go any more than that? We'll have one more bid, I think.
This is a hot lot.
No.
New bidder.
Oh, another new bidder's coming. No, it's going to go for too much. It's the mileage, isn't it? 23,000, look. If you're getting it for yourself, I thought having all those airbags gone would put a lot of people off, and it probably has.
Bonus time.
2,700. Still, people are coming in 2.8. So once you add fees, that's almost gonna be 3.5 grand now. 2,800. Too rich for me.
Bonus time.
I sort of wish it wasn't a facelift, because it would go for less money. But I say, Auto Trader say this is worth 8,000 quid when it's not a cat car.
Bonus
God,
time.
still going. 2,850, 2,9. I'm out. I'm well out.
Bonus time.
2.9. It's a lovely car. All the airbags gone though. All of them. What we know, 2,950.
Bonus time.
Come on, someone let's push it over the £3,000. Just to make me feel better about it.
Bonus time.
I think that's going to be it. I'll show you it in a second once I don't know if I'll be able to actually. It might still be in my watch list. I'll try.
Sold.
2,950. Let me just quickly show you the pictures. So the only damage, let me just put it in HD. All right, so that's the only damage as far as I can see. Possibly that tip of that wing's pushed in and the bumper just a bit there, that fog light's a bit. So a bit of a scratches here. Bonnet looks all okay, door's okay. Nothing on the back at all. It all looks fine on the back, and that side all looks fine. Seat, so you've got windscreen. I forgot about windscreen, passenger airbag, driver's airbag, knee airbag, seat airbag, and you can see the bit of sponge hanging out there. That shows you that it's the other airbag has gone as well. And you see that hanging down there, you can see that's the curtain airbag, and no doubt it'll be the same on this side as well. Seat belts would have gone as well, but they're not expensive and they're easy to do. I thought I was going to, because it was really cheap last night, I thought I was going to get this at a good price. It's because it's an automatic. So many people want automatics. Yeah, look at that, 23,000 miles. Amazing. Lovely, lovely car. Could have made a killing, but no, wasn't to be. So that is it for Waffle Wednesday for this week. I told you it was only a short one, but yeah, didn't get the car, so we're still looking. There's some BCA auctions coming up this afternoon. Excuse me. Yeah, so hopefully, if it all goes according to plan, me and Alex are going to go up to. I didn't tell you where it was, did I? No, I won't tell you where it is. It'll be a surprise. We're going up north a bit. And hopefully we're both going to come back with cars. I'll tell you that much. Going to make a couple of phone calls this afternoon, but yeah, look out for that video. That will be coming soon, hopefully. So yeah, that's been your Waffle Wednesday. Only a short one, as I say. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, hit the button, subscribe to the channel, and give us a thumbs up if you can, it really helps. Don't forget also subscribing to the channel, it doesn't cost anything. I know the Waffle Wednesdays don't get many views, but I like to, for those of you who have been with me a while and are always with me, I like to give you an update as and when it's needed, because I lose track of what I've got and it helps to remind me as well as you. One more thing I was going to say, which has completely slipped my mind. I've got to wash my hands, they're filthy. Yeah, I'm working on the art bath today, doing bits and pieces on it. Again, you'll see that video. I think I've already mentioned that. You'll see that video another time. So yeah, more new projects to come. But you will see the fake art bath probably next week on a Sunday. So I'll try and keep the midweek videos coming if I can. Generally there'll be the smaller stuff, not the cars itself, although I have been recently, but I had lots and lots of videos stacked up, which I've sort of taken care of now by having the Wednesday videos as well, so I'm sort of catching up now. So that's it. As I say, thanks for watching, and until the next one, take care, stay safe, see you soon.